Hmm. Look, what's that? What's that? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Yeah. There's a birds inside. There. Go inside. Go inside. Sige na, go inside. Not again, ah. Wow, see? Do you see the bird? Okay.
Say don't touch, ha? Say no touching.
Isang fountain. Drink ka na yung water, oh. Oh, drink ka na yung water, oh.
Water first, water first.
Hmm.
Good job.
Oh. Ikaw na lang.
While the show is ongoing. Again, using of flash photography and selfie sticks are not allowed while the show is ongoing. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly present the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. Chan.
Mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. How's everybody doing today? Are you all good?
Good!
That's nice. So please relax and enjoy as our fire and fighter friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our fire and fighter friends? Alright, to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Ian. So welcome our blue and gold ako named Amigo. Miss Devio. Now, Amigo originates from South America and he inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. He is a very responsible bird and he loves to see his environment clean. Now, we have here some trashes. At first, he pick up the can, he walks all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. Good bird. And second, he pick up the paper, he open the bin and drop it inside. Last buddy. He pick up the plastic cup, he walks all the way, open the bin and drop it inside. Good bird. See, if the bird can do it, why can't we? Right? Always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. Now, Amigo together with his fine-fitted friends have something to tell us. What is it, buddy? What is it? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hardy, Tony, Matt, Kyle, and Carl. And macaws are very adaptive bird. When they're surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. And for their diets, they're allowed to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. And blue and gold macaws rank as the third largest parrot species globally, following the hyacinth and the green-winged macaws. So guys, do you want to stay with me here or you want to go inside and get more food now? I think they'll have to stay with me. Still, a round of applause for our flying macaws. Now for the next bird, he is very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? Louder everyone, say Jumbo! There you go, buddy. So here's our green-winged macaw named Jumbo. Can you wave to the crowd, buddy? Hi. Now everyone, can you wave back to Jumbo and say hello? Hi. So macaws have very long tail and feathers that it can reach up to 3 feet from head to tail, with a tail of 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn it around, buddy? More? Yeah? Good bird. And as you can see, most of their color is outside of their body and lesser color is under their wings. Now, I'm gonna show you his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Nice. Last one, say wings. So macaws' feet are zygidactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Miss Debbie here is a groundnut, and she will place it into the plastic basket, and let's see what Jumbo gets his reward. So look everyone, he carefully lift up the plastic basket and get his reward. Now we're using reward system to recompense the intelligence and effort of our birds. And as just what I've mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is a very special bird. Do you want to know why? Well, Jumbo loves to go to school, Cebu school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Jumbo, but we will be having the spelling test first. So we have here 5 animal pictures: the tiger, the zebra, the snake, the horse, and the camel. So please choose one animal picture. What would you choose? Louder. Louder. So let's have zebras with Mr. James. While Mr. Irvin is preparing the Jumbo letters, So let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie about Jumbo. Hi, Miss Debbie. How are you today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear, Miss Debbie. Now, Miss Debbie, for the first question, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but I guess you love to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright. So Jumbo buddy, take a good look to the picture and what is the spelling of zebra? Okay, first you pick up the letter Z. Nice start, buddy. Second, and you pick up the letter A. Good job, buddy. Next, buddy. And you pick up the letter B. What's next? And you pick up the letter R. And for the last letter, buddy. Last. And you pick up the letter A. So zebra spells Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? Good bird. Now it seems to be too easy for Jumbo, but let's make it more difficult. So let's have the mathematical test in addition form. So can you give me two numbers between 1 to 10? Hand side lang, how about this side? Hand side, hand side. 4. Okay, let's have some 4. How about this side? Hand side. Higher than 4. Higher than 4. Let's have some 10. Okay, 4 plus 10. So Mr. Ervin is preparing for the jumbo numbers. So let's have another question with Miss Debbie about jumbo. So, hi Miss Debbie. I'm curious about what are Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
Jumbos love to eat varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables. Now Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. So, Jumbo buddy, let's try mathematical test. So what is 4 plus 10? 4 plus 10. Don't make a shortcut, buddy. You made a shortcut. So you picked the number 4 for the first number. Second number rather. What is the first, buddy? And you pick up the number 1. So 4 plus 10 is equals to 14. Is it correct? So a round of applause for a green mapon named Jumbo. Now at this moment, I need volunteers. 1 kid and 1 adult volunteer. Okay, for the adult, the one with the... Okay, please be ready because I wanted to meet our cute and fluffy sunken named Bonnie. So sunken ears are the medium size of bird. It has a golden plumage from head down to its underpart and green wings. And despite of their size, Bonnie has a big heart. He loves to share with his food with his friends. So after he finishes food, he will go back inside and call his friends. Thank you. Now for the adult volunteer, sir. Please move at the center, sir. Okay. Okay. Then lower, sir. Okay. Please, are you ready, sir? Okay. Please be ready because I want you to meet our group of sunkeneers, Bonnie's friends. So sunkeneers, also known as sun parakeets, they are social, playful, and had a loud voice. And it can be seen through northeastern America like Venezuela and Brazil. Thank you so much, sir. Now, for the next volunteer, I need an adult volunteer who will stand there at the bridge. Okay, I think you already have a volunteer. Okay. Please be ready, because I want you to meet our couple bird named Ding and Dong. So sunkeneers are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner for a lifetime. And when their partner dies, that's the time they will find another mating partner. And they're also monomorphic, meaning both male and female shares the same physical features. Thank you so much, Val.
Ano siya?
Now for the last volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with a peso bill. An adult volunteer with a peso bill. You can bring 500, 1,000, or 50 pesos. sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to the show. So may I know your name?
Benson.
So, Sir Benson, can you show the crowd your money? So, Mr. Benson has a 50 peso bill. So, all you have to do, sir, is fold your money in half 3 times, same directions. Last. I'm sorry, same direction. Okay. And all you have to do is stretch your arms and hold your money at the tip. Okay. So no extra movement, sir. And do not try to touch the bird, okay? Are you ready, sir? Okay, please be ready because I want you to meet another cute and fluffy son. Can you name? Sunny. So Sunny loves money. Normally in the world, they love to pick up things to build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. So Sunny flies all the way to Mr. Benson. And what's the next thing to do, buddy? Oops. Okay, let's have one more try. Okay, Sunny flies back all the way to Mr. Benson and he picked the 50 peso bill. So, bye-bye Sunny and bye-bye 50 pesos. Easy money, right? Hi, sir. Do you have any message to the bird? Do you have any message to the bird? So, serious question, sir. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, so since you answered you enjoy, sir, can we do it one more time with another 1,000 peso bill?
100 lang.
No, sir, I'm just kidding, So, we will give you back the 50 pesos. Come here, sir. Okay, Sunny is very good bird. He loves seeds more than money. So, come here, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, all you have to do is stretch your arms and open your palm. Okay? No extra movement and do not try to reach out the words, okay? Come on out, Sunnies. Let's give back the 50 pesos. Alright, so Sunny flies all the way to Mr. Benson. And he put down 50 peso bill. So a round of applause for sucking your name, Sunny. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Please watch your steps and slow down. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforests of Brazil as we have here our most handsome chicken name, Mr. Horn. So, chicken is a large and best-known chicken species. It has a white throat and black body that helps them to camouflage in the rainforest. Now, Miss Debbie here has a handful of fruit, and she will try to toss it to Mr. Horn, and let's see how Mr. Horn, how good he is catching. Oops! Mr. Horn, nice catch. Yes, buddy? Okay. So, there are a total of 40 chicken species around the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. So as you can see, they have a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality that's extremely light because that is made of protein and keratin, just like our hair and nails. Last one, buddy. Good catch. So do you want to stay with me here, or you want to go inside and get more food now, Mr. Horn? Okay, so a round of applause for our chicken name, Mr. Horn. Now, since we're already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn, good friends, as we have here our yellow crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Miss Jehan and Mr. James. So I'll you to them for a moment.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chan. Hello, everyone. This is our yellow crown Amazon parrot named Lani and Rudy. Yellow crown Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its cooking ability and playfulness.
That's right. And mimic is the happy sound of what they hear every day.
Can you say hi? They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic a telephone ringing and a whistle. But the rooster. Okay, how about cat?
Bark. 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 Bark.
Okay, telephone.
Bark.
How about whistle?
And also Rudy and Lani, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up quiz.
Okay, let's do the warm-up.
La la la. La la la.
Okay, how about the first song? Okay, again. Okay, for the second song, the class first. So celebrating their birthdays today or within this month. Okay, hi, happy birthday, and listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Okay, but sing happy birthday. Yeah, let's sing happy birthday. So everyone, your round of applause for Kimber, Kim, Lani, and Rudy.
So, as a red-backed sea eagle in Australia, and locally known here in the Philippines as Banugin Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. So you can take pictures, ma'am sir, but do not try to touch the birds, okay? Kindly settle down, it's for your own safety. So it has a white plumage from head down to its underpart, and the rest of its color is striking chestnut brown. So it steals live prey and hunting bird, that's why it's considered as a snatching prey in flight. Okay, so you can take pictures, but do not try to touch the birds. Well, I think he's enjoying flying. So he's observing the environment, everyone. Lighter. Eagle or king of the sea. It has a golden plumage from head down to its underpart, and back wings are dark gray in colors. So it can be found throughout Southeast Asia, and it can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Alright, so a round of applause for a white-billed sea eagle named Marina. And to seal this moment, we have here our flying lorries all the way from South. And we have the two type of lorries, the dusky lorries and the chattering lorry. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace, prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. And also our scarlet ibis all the way from South America. Alright buddies, now before we totally end the show, let me introduce to you the people behind the success. My partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, together with Marina. And our assistant Bertrand at the back, Mr. James, Mr. Romnick, Mr. Charles, Mr. Urban, and Miss Gia and Miss Rachel. And our soundman up there, Mr. Ricky. And yours truly, my name is Chan. I hope you enjoy the show, everyone. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the wow.
So this is the last part ng tour. So syempre after some tour souvenir shop and then saya. So you find something? Okay, let's go out na. Let's go. Let's go na. Okay. Sakay ka diyo. Ride ka di kay daddy oh. Sakay ka di kay daddy ko ma-drink ka milk.
Let's sit there first.
Sit down ka diyan eh oh.
Are you tired?
Third ka na. Bulus mo mo baby. Andre ka.
Baby is tired. Or call her up. Or...
Sige na.
Oh, you're tired? We'll check your pictures.
Ma-check tayo sa
Drink milk,
picture.
drink milk na tayo na.
Sige na.
Drink
Oo.
milk. Drink milk. Okay.
Okay.
Drink milk. Okay, milk.
Ano pa?
Dapat saan yung mask? Drink your milk first. I drink milk first. Oh no, ice. Go back. Let's go back. Ano? Let's go back.
Sige, ma-tip-tip. Hindi.
Ayan.
Check na. Balo mo lang ako tayo kung ano. Boss, kunin namin yung... Pwede namin makuha yan, ano? Yung water. Yung 3 at saka 6. 4 5 pala yan. Nakala ko si. Drink ka water. No? Te. Tagpilang lang. Ganun yung editing.
Other pictures pa, i-check copy.
Sige.
Other pictures pa. Ang sa birds to, di ba ba?
Birds. Ang sa...
Oo, sa garden.
Sa garden may na. Which one you see, gonna say? Seiya saw this one. Did you saw this one, right? The giraffe? Did you saw the giraffe? Which one you saw? Huh? Which one? A monkey? You saw a monkey, a white tiger, then a peacock, and then this one, a camel, a birds, so many. Zebra, and also the zebra, right? Did you see the zebra? Asaya?